even know. Yeah. Alright. Well, my lady, she left me like it. Shine silver bright, just like her eyes. And I going out to see her smile, but to my surprise, there was nothing inside. She packed up her bags and hit the road, took off in that pretty baby blue dress. And next to my whiskey, she left me alone, saying there's something I'd like to know. I read, baby, I did not want to leave you, but you got to go and find the one to call your own. I've been living and sitting with a river as my friend, and there's something I can talk to you. Slowly stirred that drink in my glass, and I ate my only night on the floor. And I stared at the place where I would put a face if my face filled up me, I know. So my woman wants me to replace her. Don't you know that she's one of a kind? And with her by my side, I could sleep through the night. Now she's gone, and I'm losing my mind. Oh, baby, I think I'm seeing demons. Why is it to say things have changed?